Hi everyone, we'll see how to create a mobile application for Google site and any personal site using Thunkable. So this is the output to what I am going to get. I have the button, so by clicking on the button I can change my site. So first I'll create one Google site. For that inside the Google Drive I'll create one. Click on Google site. Open the new Google site and change the name of this banner of the Google site to my G website, and I'll add one YouTube embedded. So click on YouTube and search for the video or paste the link of that video. So select that and click on select. I'll place this in the middle by dragging it to middle. Okay. Okay. So okay. So file name I'll keep it as the Google site. Next, I'll publish this. So I'll create one unique web address for this. The default it is https sites.google.com /views. So name of this page is Sanskriti Tech. So I'll click on publish. So now it is published. You can check by typing that link. So this is my Google site. Now we'll see how to create the application, mobile application for that. So I'll sign in the Thunkable. So next I'll log in, click on build a project. So I'll give the name for this project. Project name is website app. Okay, you can give company name, but I don't want to give any company name. Create. Okay, it will take little time to open. Now I'll change the screen one, the title of first page into home page. Okay, so background color I can change. Select blue. Sorry, light color blue. Okay, and then so we can put the margin or padding. All these facilities are there. Uh, okay. I want the screen orientation portrait, so let it be as it is. Next, I'll search for web view, add that component to the center. Now, web view URL we should fill, so I'll put this my Google site URL. So when it is opening, first it will open my Google site. Okay. Uh, height I don't want to change. Okay. Width I'll change to in container. Next, I'll insert one button component. So by clicking on the button, it should go to other web page. So I'll arrange this button. The name text in the button is GitHub. Okay. Width of this, I'll make it as a fill container, means the full width will be taken. Next, the font bold is enabling, and I'll make it italic font. So it is left to you or if you want to change it or not. The next is I want to, by clicking on the button, it should do some background operation. So for that, I'll go to the blocks, and when button 1 is clicked, so when button 1 is clicked, I want to change the web view URL. So search for, okay, from web view 1, set URL to, yeah, this I'll place inside this. Okay. Now when I'm clicking the button, it will go to the web view URL will change, so it will put the new web page in that view. So my GitHub page URL I have put there. Okay, go back and check live. So I connected my mobile into desktop. How to connect this? It is there in another video. You can check in that screen copy video. Now when it is opened, the beginning it will open this Google website. So by clicking on this GitHub button, it will open the GitHub page. But the drawback of this is I can't go back to the Google site again, because that clicking on the button will go to this URL and the GitHub URL. So I want to do some modification. Okay, I'll add one more button over that say GitHub button. So button 2, the text on this button is keep it as G site. Okay, Google website. So by clicking on Google website, it should open the Google page. Sorry, Google website. Uh, Width of this button, I'll make it as a fill container, and visibility is invisible. So because of this is invisible, I can only see this first button, button 1. So when button 1 is clicked, button 2, button 1 visibility should go fall, and button 2 visibility should be true. So what I'm doing is when I'm clicking button 1, automatically, I mean, the visibility of button 1 will go off, and button 2 will be visible. Next, when button 2 is clicked, visibility of button 1 will be true, and button 2 will be invisible. Also, when button 1 is clicked, it should go to it should set the web view URL, and when button 2 is clicked, web view URL should be set. So that is depending on like when button 1 is for GitHub. So when button 1 is clicked, it should open a GitHub page, and when button 2 is clicked, it should open a my Google website. So I copy this Google website link when the button 2 is clicked. Okay, done. Now we'll see the live demo, live test of this. So for that I'll again, so how to connect this mobile to desktop is already uh, video is there in my channel. Okay, yeah. When it is opened, the application in the beginning, a Google website is opening. Now, okay, it is not working. So I'll make it like when button 1 is touch down and button 2 is long click. So for touch down, okay, now it is opening the Google site. Now if I click on GitHub, it will open the GitHub page. So we can see there the G site. Clicking on G site will open a Google website, and clicking on GitHub, it will open the GitHub page. So the application using Thunkable mobile Android application we can design using Thunkable, and the APK of this you can download directly, or you can publish this APK into Google Play. So for more information, for more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.